Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Fortnite game. So let's get started right away. Now if you wish to create a new account for Fortnite, then you will need to create a new account for Epic Games. Open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in epicgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Epic Games website. Now once you are within the homepage, just click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the sign in page. Just scroll down and click on create account, and now you can enter your date of birth to proceed forward creating your new account. Click on continue and then choose your country, your email address, your first and your last name followed by your displayed name and your password for your account. Once you click on continue, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Copy this code and click on verify email, and now your account has successfully been created on Epic Games. You can click on the download button to download the Epic Games Store app and then continue forward with your credentials to start playing immediately. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Fortnite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.